There have been many different at-home whitening tips and tricks when it comes to brightening the shade of your teeth. Your teeth are the first feature that people see, and it makes sense that everyone wants to make a good first impression. Having white teeth used to be a luxury, which led many to search for a way to get them pearly white. Does coconut oil whiten teeth? Well, we look into this treatment in this video. People want white teeth, and they want to brighten their smiles fast. It's popular to try teeth whitening hacks like baking soda or other home remedies, but those won't whiten your teeth due to the lack of strength and consistency. Does coconut oil whiten teeth? First, what is coconut oil? Coconut oil is a white solid fat and is edible. It comes from the meat, kernels, and milk of the coconut palm fruit. There are many health benefits that come from coconut oil, and it's seen a huge jump in popularity because of them. Some of these claimed benefits include reducing belly fat, strengthening the immune system, heart disease prevention, and preventing dementia. Some of these claims haven't been scientifically verified, but there is some data to suggest that coconut oil may be able to at least help. Another health benefit people claim is that coconut oil whitens teeth. But does coconut oil actually do that? The composition of coconut oil is 100% fat, with almost 90% of it saturated fat, according to harvard.edu. This means that coconut oil will have a texture that is firm and remains cold at room temperature. With the firm texture, it may seem like you'd be able to smear it all over your teeth and potentially whiten them. Does coconut oil whiten your teeth? Well, people will try to take the substance and mold it around their teeth, but there's a huge issue with that treatment. Due to the saliva and natural watery state of your mouth, the saliva will keep the coconut oil from sticking to your teeth and it will begin to dissolve in your mouth. Along with the issue of staying on your teeth, the question remains, does coconut oil actually whiten your teeth? No, it does not. Coconut oil will not whiten your teeth for a few reasons. First, it won't stick on your teeth and stay in place. When you whiten your teeth, the substances that work will need to remain on the surface of your teeth. Coconut oil won't do that. It was rumored that coconut oil will help erase teeth stains, but there is just no scientific evidence to support that. Those searching for a stay-at-home treatment to whiten teeth will need to look elsewhere. Also, coconut oil will not taste good. The flavor of it will leave you washing your mouth out until it's gone. So, if you're looking for an affordable teeth whitening treatment that will work fast and that you can use at home, what can you use? Custom whitening trays are crafted and are the most efficient whitening treatment for teeth due to a few factors. First, custom whitening trays are crafted just to your smile, meaning that the trays will only fit your smile and no one else. With the trays encasing your teeth, the treatment will erase stains on the front, back, molars, and crevices of all the teeth. When paired with a whitening gel that foams at the contact of your saliva, the gel will reach all the teeth, erasing stains. In the past, people who wanted whitening trays would have to go to the dentist. This was a costly visit and may require insurance or to be a registered patient. Not to mention the inconvenience of leaving your home. With the revolutionary and patented impression kit from Sporting Smiles, people can now receive custom whitening trays from the comfort of their homes at a fraction of the cost. Sporting Smiles has been in business since 2009, and by using their impression kit, you can receive custom whitening trays that will erase years of teeth stains in just a few treatments. Once Sporting Smiles receives your approved impressions, we'll craft you the trays and ship them back, all with free 3-way shipping. These trays are more efficient than whitening lights, strips, and toothpaste. One of the best perks is that they are waterproof and are easy to fit into a shower routine. Does coconut oil whiten teeth? No, it doesn't. But with custom whitening trays, you can afford an at-home treatment that will leave your teeth dazzling. If you're interested in shopping for custom whitening trays, all you have to do is click the link below.